The latest additions to Vivo's Y series are now official in China and they bring huge batteries, headlined by the Y300 Pro Plus and its 7,300 mAh cell. It is joined by the Y300T, which gets a 6,500 mAh battery with 44W charging. The Y300 Pro Plus features the largest battery fitted on a Vivo phone to date. This is a third-generation silicon-carbon battery with an energy density of 838 Wh/L. Vivo claims you can get over 25 hours of video playback, 14.7 hours of online gaming, and nearly 15 hours of map navigation. The Y300 Pro Plus S battery can also double as a power bank thanks to its reverse OTG charging capabilities with charging speeds of up to 7.5 W. The phone supports up to 90 W wired charging via its bundled charger and is rated at up to 55 W on the PPS protocol. Elsewhere, the Y300 Pro Plus features a 6.77-inch AMOLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The panel includes an embedded optical fingerprint scanner and a 32MP front-facing camera. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset sits at the helm paired with 8/12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. The back houses a 50MP main cam, LYT-600, and a 2MP depth module. The phone is IP64 dust-tight and water-resistant and boots Origin OS 5 based on Android 15. Vivo Y300 Pro Plus comes in black, silver, and pink colors. The 8/128GB trim starts at 1,799 Chinese yuan, $248, while the highest-end 12/512GB version is 2,499 Chinese yuan, $344. The phone is available from Vivo China's official store with deliveries scheduled for April 3rd.